Today, y'all, we're going to try to take $10 and we're going to cook a one-pot meal. I'm going to be doing this on a budget. So we're going to show you how you still can feed your family probably a 4 or 5 on a budget for $10 or around $10, counting some of the seasonings that you might already have in your house. Show you how to spend around $10 and cook your family a great one-pot meal. We got most of everything that we got from Walmart. I'm going to show y'all what we got and the prices. So, y'all come on and let's get to cooking.
Well, we got the ground beef, we bought a box of pasta, and we bought a can of Rotel. We also had to get a pack of cheese, but we're not using it all, so we are going to budget that into our $10. We got some onion and some garlic. So now let's see what we can make with a $10 budget meal.
So if you're trying to feed your family on a budget, this one might be for you. We've all been there, times have been tight, and we have to figure out to make do with what we got. Today, y'all, I'm cooking a $10 budget meal. I done this one during the week, and I've got to do a voiceover, but I thought this turned out great. This is an easy way to feed your family on a budget. This meal will feed around 5 people. For Travis and myself, it lasted us 2 nights. Well, I hope y'all liked that video on this easy, simple, one-pot budget meal. It's easy, it's delicious, and it didn't take many ingredients. You can still eat good on a budget. I hope y'all like this video. And if you like it, don't forget to hit that new hype button. It's helping our channel get out there in the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget a thumbs up, and if you hadn't already, and you might want to consider it, subscribe down below. And like always, we just want to say thanks for watching. Happy cooking.